our security agencies are under instructions to ensure our safety. All the roads that were blocked have now been cleared and are ready for safe passage. I thank you. I will take. I just want to emphasize here that we appreciate Kenyans of many Kenyans in many parts of the country, and especially the matatu owners, the transport industry. They went about their protests peacefully, ensured that their vehicles were not on the road, but in no way did they disrupt other people's businesses. But in some cases, we know that the usual political actors took advantage of the protests to organize goons, gangs, and criminals who attacked businesses, particularly in Naivasha, in Nyeri town, slightly in parts of Githurai, a small part of Kirinyaga. There was an attempt in Rongai and in Kitengela, and a particular attempt in Kakamega to invade the NCB, National Cereal and Produce Board's stores to loot the property there. Otherwise, in the rest parts of the country, it was peaceful, including Nairobi CBD. I will take a few questions.
Okay, thank you. My name is Kenya from People Daily. Just wanted to know